Hi guys, how you guys are doing today? Hope you guys are all doing great. So this video is an announcement video where an announcement is that I'll be uploading a lot of animation videos, basically Lottie animation videos. So first of all, let's understand what is Lottie animations. So Lottie animations are lightweight JSON based animation which you can use in your website, in your mobile app, and basically use these assets as a static assets which are very lightweight as compared to the GIF animations which are like in MBs as compared to the Lottie animations which are just about 2 to 300 KB max, or if you're using a small animation like a preloader or anything like that, it might not exceed 10 to 12 KB. So it's a really great way to add interaction in your website without affecting the website speed or your mobile app speed. So I'm creating a new playlist in which we'll walk you through how you can create these animations using Adobe After Effects. And I'll put the link of our Lottie portfolio where you can see what type of animation you can build, because we have been building these type of animations for our customers, and we are creating custom animations, Lottie animations using Adobe After Effects. And I thought I should also create tutorial for you guys to learn how you can master these skills and also try to sell these animations, or if you want to create your own custom animations on your own without needing for any animator help or any designer help, so you can do that as well. So that's an announcement for this, and furthermore you'll surely see a lot of animation videos as well in this channel. So if you want to see more of these like videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and put the bell icon on. That's it.